Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your brake hold function in your 2017 Honda Civic Hatchback. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is to make sure you go to the button right here, below or on top of the park and brake, and this shows you your brake hold function. So, in order to access this feature, is make sure you have your seatbelts on first of all, and then once you do, it's going to allow you to use the function. So right now I'm going to click on it, and there you go, brake hold is on. So you might be wondering, what is brake hold function? So brake hold function is, for example, if you are fully stopped and you have your brakes fully depressed on the pedal, your foot fully depressed. Basically what it does is the car will hold the brake for you, so you could let go after you fully depress the brake, and you will notice that the car will just stop by itself, so you don't have to do all the work. So this is really convenient when it comes to hills and stuff like that, because it could be a little bit hard. So the car definitely helps you out with that. And of course, if you're at a stop and go traffic and you don't want to keep using your foot on the brake, the car could do it for you. Just tap it once and that's it. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.